Hi guys, welcome to another video on my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the new Windows 10 final review presentation, how do we want to call it. So let's begin. In Windows 10 final we got some new features like the new start menu, the new notification center we have over here, down here in the bottom right corner in the taskbar. Okay, we have Cortana Assistant, Vocal Assistant, which we can set up and speak to it like Cortana, Cortana, tell me a joke.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.
Okay, so my connection is down for some minutes. Okay, so I cannot connect to the Cortana Assistant, but you can ask Cortana some things and she will answer, or it will answer. Okay, so let's begin with the new start menu. So we have here the live tails in the start menu. We have all the Metro apps that we had in the Windows 8 or 8.1. The Metro apps are opening right here. If we open calendar, it will open in the desktop. We don't have a Metro U interface in Windows 10. Okay, so we can wait and we can get started with the calendar, but I'm not gonna do it right now because my connection is down. Okay, so we just got here the live tails. We can name groups. If you see here, we can name the groups. We have here all the apps, but it's gonna take some minutes to load up if you have many apps as I do. Okay, we have a file explorer which will open the Windows Explorer. Okay, we got the most used apps here. We got settings, and settings is like a new control panel in Windows 10, using actually the same settings but in a new form of showing it. I'm gonna show you. If we right click on the desktop and click personalize, this is the control panel, the new control panel settings, and we got here the options for personalization. We can change the picture. You can just make a slideshow on your background. You have a lot of settings. I'm not gonna go through it all. Okay, and but we have the old control panel is not Microsoft hasn't got rid of it. Okay, so we've seen the start menu. So now let's go to the notification center. This is the notification center with all the important settings here. Tablet mode, you can go to a tablet mode, and maybe if you have a tablet, it's just gonna use it like a Metro thing, Windows 10. And if you have a tablet which you connect to it some like keyboard or mouse, is gonna automatically go to this desktop mode. Okay, we have connect, note, all settings, battery saver, VPN, Bluetooth. This is the monitor. In my case, I have a laptop. Okay, connecting. This is the internet. I have Wi-Fi. Quiet hours, location, airplane mode. So you have here like something very similar to what you have on Android. When you go to that notification, you can clear it all, and it goes in a part. Is really nice. You can collapse here and have only the most important settings. And as I've said, if you go to all settings, you are going to have this settings. Okay. So we have new icons on the desktop. You see the icon of this PC, control panel, recycle bin, and even the drives have a new icon. The folders. Let me show you a new folder. This is how a new folder looks. Really nice. Another new feature that we got in Windows 10 is the task view, which allows you to in Windows 10 or in Windows 7 you use the Alt tab, if you remember, to get through Windows. Now we can use the task view to get through Windows. Now I have only the Camtasia Studio recording window, but you can add a new desktop to have many apps running on the on a desktop, and another app running on another one. It's just simple to work in Windows 10. It's more user friendly, as Microsoft said. Okay, so we have like new interface when you click on this calendar, or sound, or battery. It's so nice and user friendly, as I've said. This is the internet. Okay, so another new important thing that was added in Windows 10 is the Microsoft new browser, which is called Microsoft Edge, and you can see it as an icon like from Internet Explorer 6, but without that circle around it. Okay, so this is the Microsoft Edge browser. It's very simple. It has a very simple design. Some settings here. For now, it is not supporting the extensions. It's a non-finished browser, so you have to wait if you want to have extensions or like to put ad blocker on it. You have to wait for that. So to tell you that this is the new Windows 10. As I've said, it's the final version, but it's gonna receive a lot of updates in the next 10 years, and it's really nice because it has some bugs. As I've seen, I tried to open a video with the default video opener, and it just runs the audio, but the video is like blank, and that's a weird bug. I mean, maybe it could be that it's not having the right codecs for the video or something, but it's it's working Windows. It works, and as I've seen a lot of games work on this one, and I think you should install it. You won't be disappointed with it. It's a very nice user-friendly interface, and many of you will be happy to know that we don't have in Windows 10 the new modern UE interface, or user UI UE. It had a lot of names, it's just how do you want to call it? Okay, but we don't have that now. We just have an integration. You have here the store. If we open the store, it's gonna open in the desktop. Sorry, and now it's not gonna open to me now because I have the internet down. Okay, so this is my video. Hopefully, I'm hoping you guys liked it. So if you liked it, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like this video, share it to your friends if you want, and comment for new videos. Bye.